Hello friends, this is Ananya and here I'm back with another grammar topic, that is sentence structure. So, today we are going to study about subject verb, subject verb object, subject verb adjective, subject verb adverb, subject plus verb plus indirect object plus direct object, and subject plus verb plus direct object plus indirect object. So let's begin. Subject plus verb. Now what is a subject? A subject is someone that does the action. It's the doer of a sentence. And verb is the action which is being done. So here, example you see, she walks. So she is the subject, the main actor in a sentence, and verb is walks. She walks. Ram writes. Here, Ram is the person who is doing something, is doing the activity, and verb is writes here. And next, third is Rita is playing. So, Rita is the subject here, and is playing is the verb. Is the helping verb, and playing is the main verb. So, this is the basic structure of subject plus verb. Next, we'll understand subject plus verb plus object. So, subject we know, the doer. Verb is the action which has been done. And object is the action which has been done upon. Let's say for example, first example, I'm reading a book. Here, I is the subject. Am reading is the verb, and a book. What is the action being done? On what? That is the object. It can be a person also, it can be a thing also. So here am reading is verb. How? Am is the helping verb and reading is the main verb. And a book is object. She likes mango. Here she is the subject, likes is the verb, and mango is object. Third, teacher is teaching her students. Here teacher is the subject who is doing the action. What she is doing is teaching. So it's the verb here, and her students. See here, students are not object, means not as a thing, but students are person. They are acting as object because the action is done upon something or someone or some person. So that becomes the object. So this is the structure of subject, verb, and object. Next, we'll understand subject plus verb plus adjective. Now, what is an adjective? Adjective qualifies the noun or a pronoun. Suppose she is beautiful. First example, here she is the subject, is the verb, is the helping verb, and beautiful. Beautiful is qualifying the pronoun, that is she. So beautiful is adjective here, adjective of quality. The house is marvelous. The house is the subject, is the verb, helping verb, and marvelous. Marvelous is adjective, adjective of quality. Sohini ranked first. Sohini is the subject. She did what? She ranked. Ranked first. First is the adjective of number, numeral adjective. If you want me to make a separate video on adjectives, do comment. Next is subject plus verb plus adverb. Now what is an adverb? Adverb qualifies verb. Adverb qualifies adjective also. Adverb qualifies another adverb also. Let's see the example here. He is writing slowly. So he is the subject, is writing is the verb, and slowly, how the action is being done. How? That is adverb. Slowly is adverb. She walked fast. She is the subject here, walked is the verb here, and fast. Fast is adverb. How she walked? She walked fast. So first is adverb. Rahul reached early. Rahul is subject here, reached is the verb, and early, sooner, late, these are adverbs. So this is the structure of subject, verb, and adverb. Next we'll understand about subject, verb plus indirect object plus direct object. So how to understand? She gave me a pen. Now what is indirect object and what is direct object? The very simple formula is the person is indirect object and the thing which is given to that person, the living being, that is direct object. Let's take an example. She gave me a pen. So here she is the subject, gave is the verb, me as person it is, so it is indirect object, and a pen is direct object. Jim built his granddaughter a playhouse. So Jim is the subject here, built is the verb here, his granddaughter is indirect object because it's a person, and a playhouse is direct object and it's a non-living thing. Next, we'll understand the subject plus verb plus direct object plus indirect object. So now direct object means the non-living thing will come at the front, and then indirect object, that means the living being, will come at the end. So she is playing Ludo with me. So here she is the subject, is playing is the verb, Ludo is a thing, direct object, and with me is a person, so indirect object. Ram is watching TV with his brother. So Ram is the subject, is watching is the verb, TV is direct object, and with his brother is indirect object. So this is the end of it. I hope you understood, and if you need some more videos on any other topic, do comment. Thank you.